Today's July 7, 2023. Definitely a summer day in John Day. See, there's a open house for the Painted Sky Arts program. And Jeff has been asked to play. I didn't realize he was going to be outside. This used to be an old middle school. Yes, and they call it middle school. And the Painted Sky Arts Project purchased it. They get painting classes, pottery classes here. Take it away. Okay.
Hi, I'm Valerie Menyon. I'm the new executive director of the Painted Sky Center for the Arts.
You're the one that just got hired.
I did. This is day 3, so
yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you. So we're having a little open house tonight, so the public can come out and meet us and take a tour of the center and our classrooms and see what we're all about.
My cake just keeps lifting. Can't you see that I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I want to take my arms, I'll never
Oh, and here is Kim Ramness.
Hi, how are you?
your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on, dear, without you? 'Cause you took apart what once was my heart. Why not take all of me?
I just like
Great. Anyone else want to?
Hi, I am Liz Blackburn, and I am one of the department leads of the ceramic studio. So we've got a fully functioning, beautiful ceramic studio with 6 wheels and a kiln, and lots of people who use it. So
I have taken that class.
oh, good. That's great. That's great.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Melody Faden. I'm the newest member on the board of directors for
Board of
Painted Sky.
Directors.
Yeah.
Thank you. Was started by Kim, is that correct?
She was one of the founding members. It was her and some other folks. They really wanted an art center here, and so she's put in a lot of work to make it happen with the help of Allison Fields and all sorts of people.
She's, I know art is her life.
Yes, yes.
Yes, your goodbye left me with eyes How can I go on here without you? Yes, you took apart what once was my heart. So why not take all of me? Yeah, Simmons and Marks. Oh, love me. Here at the meet and greet of Painted Sky. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Samantha Cho. I work here at Painted Sky. I work for the after school program, 2nd through 5th, teaching the kids, and we do arts and crafts and sometimes art fundamentals, because kids in this era, I think, need a creative outlet because there's so much negativity in the world that I want to help kids find their ways to relieve stress and become a person of their own.
Create a happy space for them. Oh, that's wonderful. How long have you been? Of course, the arts building hasn't been open that long, has it?
I've been working here 2 years, but we recently moved into this building last year, but we had another building in Canyon City, so
Right.
this would be my 3rd year here.
I hear a special person just arrived named Megan. And tell us what's so special about you.
I moved to Virginia.
Oh,
And now she's back.
I'm back for one of my twice-a-year visits.
I'm happy to say that my wife is an artist. She's on the board.
oh, she's on the board. Okay, and you are.
I'm John Rowell, and I live here in Grant County.
Okay, and your wife tells me that you're the county commissioner. Is that true?
That's correct. She got me elected, I'll have to say that.
Oh, okay.
It's really, this thing's really a good thing. I mean, folks have an opportunity to take part in it. Lots of young people get involved in it. And I've watched this, her name, gosh darn it.
Kim?
Kim. I watched Kim grow up from a little girl.
Oh my gosh.
She's quite an artist.
Yes, she is.
A nice person. I'm glad I've known her mom and dad
I
for
know.
a lot of years.
Kim is wonderful.
No, she's great. Anything else you want to ask?
No, so what was your influence on the board?
On the county?
Oh, yes, as far as getting this building.
I really didn't do much on it. Kim did most of the legwork. And her and my wife is a board member.
And your wife is?
Yeah,
Her name is
Audra.
Audra.
She's on the board.
So look at that. These two are just meeting.
I'm Sam Adams.
South of the border.
We are in this classroom right here, and we do the after school program. Oh, great. So the bus comes and drops the kids off. We come and get them.
So here's Kim Randlis. Let's talk about the evolution of the Painted Sky. And how did that start?
I'd love to talk about that. So I think it was in the fall of 2018. There was a few of us that just had an idea that it would be great to have a physical art space in John Day. So we had some meetings and came together, and we didn't even know what it would really look like, just that we knew we needed a brick and mortar art center. So after a few months, we looked around, we raised a little bit of money, and we were able to rent a building in Canyon City.
Right, that's the one that I'm familiar with. It started off in Canyon City.
Started
and
out
then,
there.
Why did it come over to John Day?
Well, a couple reasons. One, we're in the process of purchasing this building, and so we really want to make this our permanent home. Canyon City doesn't have quite enough room for us, which we love Canyon City. Of course, you know it's gorgeous there. Yeah, and so it's not close enough to some amenities in John Day that we wanted to have, like walking distance to the hotels, low-income housing, downtown. So this is a great location.
Yes, it is. Great for us, Jeff and I,
great
since
for
we
you.
live right behind it.
Yeah, and then it also has enough space for us to grow.
So the classes are just so wide and diverse. So tell us.
Okay, so we have classes for kids after school. We have leather making classes. We have ceramics. We have drawing and paint parties. We have jewelry making. Oh gosh, we have writing classes. And we are always looking for more mediums and more teachers to teach a variety of things, because as you know, when you find your creative outlet, it's really supportive to your health and
Yes.
to your well-being.
So how do you find these teachers?
Usually people they'll hear about us, so we start being connected with more and more artists, and then we twist their arm to teach a class. And we do put out a little bit of advertising for that. We also pay our teachers, so it's not a volunteer thing. So
Well, that is key.
Yeah, we think it's an economic value to the community too. Yeah.
I did meet someone in Tucson. I took an all-day sewing class, and she said, I would love to come to John Day to teach us. So how would someone from the outside get here and get signed up?
Yep.
And where would they stay?
So we have our very first executive director that just started this week. And this is, of course, why we're having this party. And so Valerie should be able to coordinate something like that.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. How about a tour?
Yes, let's go.
Let's
do
go.
it. So this used to be called Blue Mountain Junior High School.
Yes.
That's what I meant to say
Yeah,
from the beginning. It was really,
Yeah, I went to middle school here, and
but it was called junior high in those days, right?
maybe.
Well,
Alright, so
here's the pottery class. Oh, ceramic.
Oh yeah, pottery ceramic. And we've got 6 pottery wheels and glazing station. Our kiln is outside, but we give classes that are on a weekly basis for beginners and intermediates, and then we also have open studios, so you can come in and make pottery whenever.
Wonderful
you want.
system.
Yeah, it works.
I know
really
because
good.
I took the class.
You did. Okay. This is our new executive director's office.
Nice.
So just as you come in on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see Valerie.
Oh, and she's got a piano here.
There's a piano in here. She does play.
Very convenient.
Yeah, Valerie does play. We've got a little meeting room in here that we use for our board meetings and some of the writing classes. But it's just really nice. It's got nice tall ceilings in here. It's all bright and open.
I did notice, I walked by when a writing class was on. She was the world famous poet.
Yep.
What was?
Kathy Moss.
Yeah, can you tell me a little about Kathy Moss?
So Kathy is a very well-known cowboy poet, cowgirl poet.
Cowgirl poet.
Yes, and she also is an author, and I'm not sure how many books that she's published, but she told me on Wednesday that she was into, I think, about 37,000 miles so far this year of traveling for
Oh my gosh.
cowgirl poetry.
And she goes all over the world, doesn't she?
As far as I know. Yeah.
Wow.
She's
And she lives here in John Day, right?
Yeah.
Or teaches, right? In this
teaches
classroom.
in there, and I'll show you the kids' classroom next.
Okay. Oh, and this is where.
So here's the kids' classroom and our wonderful teaching team. It sounds like you've already met
Yes.
Darla and Sam.
I bought my house from Darla's
All right.
mother-in-law that passed away. So yes, I do know
of
Darla.
course. Of course. And then here's our black light party going on.
Yes, and I'm taking this art class as soon as we
You are
finish.
great.
Yes.
Terrific.
I've taken many painting classes in here.
That's great. So eventually we'll expand and have more rooms, but right now this is what we have, and we're very grateful for what we do have now, and later on we'll expand.
Oh, wonderful. And and the gym.
There'll be a gym with a theater. It's an old type of middle school gym with a stage, but eventually we'll renovate that.
So anybody watching this video, if they want to sign up for an art class, how do they contact you? Through a website?
They can come in and sign up with Valerie, or they can sign up online, which is our website, paintedskycenter.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And long live art.
Long live art.
Okay, and you are?
I'm Genevieve Paddock, and I'm one of the ceramic instructors in here. Start over.
So hello.
Hi, I'm Genevieve Paddock, and I'm one of the ceramic instructors here at Painted Sky. And I just love doing ceramics and sharing that love with other people. It's just such a fun medium. You can make clay be anything you want it to be.
Oh, it is. And I hear that you give private lessons.
I do.
Now, that is key.
Yeah,
Okay.
that you can really get a lot of bang for your buck with a private lesson. Having that one-on-one instruction can really give you a boost.
So how much do people make you set up the time, and how much you charge for that?
So call Painted Sky and they'll get you in touch with me, and we'll work around each other's schedules, and the rates vary depending. I offer private lessons or semi-private, where it'd be 2 instructors, and so you can go on the website and look that up.
I just love so many options for learning here.
Yeah. We try and accommodate everybody, and that's one of the great things about private lessons is that, you know, you might not be able to make a regular group class, but with private lessons, hey, if you want morning classes or evening classes, generally we can accommodate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me. It's coming into the painting class, and this is Angel Carpenter, and she's the teacher. And look at that fabulous lei you're wearing. So we're going to have a blacklight class about dogs. Well, I cannot wait.
Right over here.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Well, there's no end to creativity, is there? And pop art, yes. And I had asked Angel if I could do 2 dogs, because my son has 2 dogs, and I'm going to send it to him. So it looks like she made me a canvas. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Well, we can't really see it, but, well, we'll see it when it's finished.
It's painted, yes.
Well, this art center started off with such vision. Just 2 people sitting in a room with an idea that just grew, and now they end up buying this old middle school. So much space. And my old Charles neighbor, I just found out, is a photographer, and he's taking pictures of all the teachers.
So perfect timing.
Where is that?
Roper Row.
Oh, Alicia.
We're in between Ken's ranches. Oh, so we're all the way to the end of the right. We have everything from the end to the right. Oh, wow. Yeah, so what brought you that? Right? We were so done.
Oh, and who do we have here but my pottery teacher that I took last year?
Yes.
Kara.
Yup. I'm Kara. I'm one of the pottery teachers and do a lot of ceramics here at the Painted Sky Center for the Arts.
And I will say Kara's the best teacher I ever had in my life.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Yeah, well, it's because you're a wonderful person and very patient, which is key.
Well, I love pottery, and it's very fun and easy to share it with people. So.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like Jeff is on break now.
Won't do anything wrong. Hey, Mr. Spaceman.
And yes, that's Jeff's music.
Won't you please take me along for a ride?
I think it is Jaws. It has like something like